Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to download the famous Candy Crush Saga application or the game on your Android device. So if you want to get that, simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Candy Crush Saga application on your Android device is pretty easy. Open up your Play Store to begin. Before connecting to your Play Store, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And once you are connected to one, go ahead and type in Candy Crush Saga into the search box and search. Soon after you find the application in the search result, tap on the install button right next to it to begin the downloading process. Now wait for the application to be downloaded, which is a quick and easy step depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, you can play the game whenever you want, right on your Android device. After the installation is completed, tap on the play button in order to launch open Candy Crush Saga. That is how you can easily download Candy Crush Saga on your Android phone with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.